Okay, these goggles are beautiful and they're Japanese made, and I can tell they're Japanese made from the packaging alone. It's just so beautifully packaged, but it's also very comfortable. First thing when I saw it comes to mind, it's a very sexy and pretty. I mean, it's a woman's goggles. They're pink and they're anti-glare from the sun. There's also, I hear these goggles have double protection for the fog as well, but I'll soon find that out.